Just stop moving. Straight it up.
We did last year was in a backyard of a house for a charity called Boys Hope Girls Hope, and like we redid their entire backyard, so it was like all kinds of similar type things.
Isn't it nice to get out of the office sometimes?
Definitely.
It's always enjoyable to help each of their local communities help and achieve their mission and goal of what they're trying to improve.
Yeah. Well, I sit there flying thing watching it and I'll watch it like and
So it wasn't too hard to get people out of the office today.